Hello guys, in this video I will talk about some basic information on machine learning in Python. It's not machine learning scientifically, but just how we can use how we can get some knowledge on machine learning in Python. It's vlog style, so I will just share my experience, because recently I by myself started doing some research projects. For now they are mostly private, so it's not part of CoderVlogger or my open source repository, because I need to get some basic information. Then we will discuss them in our also in our videos. But in this video I will share some basic sources where you can start with machine learning, and it will be quite on basic level for beginners. If you have more information, please share them in comments. Maybe you know some good books or courses that can help beginners. So please share them in comments. But before we start, I want to as I said, it is vlog style. It's not part of our series. For example, right now we have DevVlog. It's a Django project. In this week I will publish next tutorial for DevVlog. It's tutorial, it's not vlog, it's a tutorial. We will do some next steps for DevVlog project, and we also have a mentorship program. Right now we have 5 videos and 1 assignment with a solution. If you don't know about these programs, about this series, please check links in the description. But now let's just continue with our topic, so machine learning. As I said, my history with machine learning started a few years ago. I tried to do some projects using machine learning algorithms in Python, but it was not so successful, so I left them, and I did some other projects without machine learning. I used a lot of data science stuff, but without any algorithms from Python's built-in libraries, or just some custom library on machine learning without this. And now I want to refresh some knowledge, get more information on machine learning. And I found I start with this book. Actually, I have few other books, but for this book I have at least some opinion to share. So it will be some kind of review, or my opinion, or my advice, how we can use this book for your education. As I said, I start with this video book, and what I like about this book, I will just show some content of this. I hope it's not copyright issue, but what I liked about this book is that in first chapter they have some kind of example or sample project on iris species. So it's quite popular topic in machine learning, because it's basic. They can explain some details of classification and show examples, so it's quite easy to explain on this sample. So and in this book, as a first step, you dive into this topic and do actual coding to get this classification done. I did it. Maybe later I will share my result. But for now, I like this part, that you can easily, as a first steps, you already will do some machine learning stuff, and you will feel that I can do this. I do understand what's training, what's test data, why you need to separate them, and etc. So it will give some basic understanding of how you need to approach machine learning problems in Python code. Next, and also I want to say that one of the authors, for me it's important to see that authors, they do some open source stuff, or they have some experience, and you can actually check them, or by check I mean learn, get some additional knowledge. And one of the authors is main contributor and maintainer of this scientific Scikitlearn. It's a quite popular Python package for machine learning. We probably will have additional tutorial on how we can use this. I will just show for beginners how they can start with this library in Python. But yeah, for me it was important that one of the authors is also core contributor to this package, to this library. On books, I will share, by time, I will share my opinion on other machine learning books in Python, because they are a lot. This one is from, if I am not wrong, from 17. Let's just double check. Is there any information? Yeah, it's 16. Okay, it's published. It is not that new, but yeah, in terms of Python and machine learning, to get started, that could be enough. And also, if you prefer courses and you want to also get started with machine learning, I highly recommend this course. Yeah, I get this course, yeah, as you can see, 2 years ago. I used it a lot, not fully, I didn't complete it fully, but for me it's more, if I need something, for example, for some kind of classification algorithms, I just go to this part of the video and get some information. But now I will have to just go through all this course and get some more knowledge. But based on my experience, I can highly advise, if you are interested in machine learning with Python, you can get this course. Yeah, it is quite useful. I have to say that it's not promotion or something. I am just sharing my opinion and my experience. It's up to you. I think for this video, for this vlog, it is okay. I will try to keep this kind of vlogs on daily basis. Yeah, it's quite hard for me because I have to do a lot of stuff, prepare tutorials. I have day-to-day job. It's really hard to keep daily videos, but I will do my best. And also I will share this video on other platforms. It will not be only YouTube, but there's also Instagram TV, IGTV, and Facebook. Yeah, check them also. And if you have some more information on how you can start with machine learning in Python, please share them in comments, and let's just have a discussion and see how we can help each other. Thank you for watching, and see you in other videos. Bye bye.